Director of NTR of the Department of Trade and Industry, he has been at the forefront of driving programs that campaign inclusive innovation, digital adoption, and competitiveness for every Filipino entrepreneur. His work continues to open more opportunities for micro, small, and medium enterprises, helping them grow, scale, and navigate an ever-evolving business landscape. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm welcome to Mr. Jay Akar.
Good morning. Before I read the message to our secretary, allow me to congratulate for the for our exhibitors, to our for this Job Street MSME Summit 2025. To Ma'am April Dana L. Arupon, to Mr. Joaquin San Agustin, Executive Vice President, sir, good morning. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. It is my privilege and honor to deliver this message on behalf of our dearest Secretary, Secretary of the Department of Trade and Industry, Secretary Maria Cristina Enroque, as we gather today for the Job Street MSME Summit 2025. An event that stands as a testament to our collective desire to uplift and empower our micro, small, and medium enterprises, the backbone of our nation's economy. Today, we are joined by our band partners from Job Street by SIP, SM Supermalls, industry leaders, business experts, and hundreds of MSMEs owners and aspiring entrepreneurs, both on-site and online. Your presence reflects a shared commitment, the belief that when MSME rise, the entire nation rises with them. For 25 years, Job Street has been the Philippines' #1 digital employment marketplace, helping connect Filipinos to meaningful work and supporting government initiatives, particularly those that strengthen MSMEs. We also express our sincere gratitude to SM Supermalls for their unwavering support and for continuously providing spaces where entrepreneurs can grow, learn, and thrive. Events like this, bringing together innovators, enablers, and dreamers, are the kind of partnership that fuel real, lasting, and national progress. The summit aims to engage 200 to 500 participants, along with countless online viewers, with essential knowledge, practical tools, and actionable insights that will help them navigate today's competitive and rapidly evolving business environment. It is a space where ideas meet opportunity, where learning meets innovations, and where MSMEs from every corner of the country can rediscover their strength, courage, and capacity to grow. As we convene today, we acknowledge a reality that has long defined the Philippine economy. MSME account for about 99.6% of all businesses in the country, employing more than 60% of our workforce. They fuel our local communities, provide livelihoods, and spark innovation. Yet, despite their immense contribution, MSMEs also face persistent challenges: limitation in financing, digital adaptation, regulation hurdles, and constantly shifting market demands. These challenges highlight the need for strategic, transformative, and inclusive interventions. Interventions that are at the heart of the MSME Development Plan 2023 to 2028. This plan is not merely a policy document. It is a blueprint for a future where no Filipino entrepreneur is left behind. a future shaped by three pillars: digitalization, enhanced financing, and expanded market access. These pillars position our MSMEs not just to survive disruptions, but to lead in a world where technology, competition, and consumer behavior evolve every day. Digitalization, in particular, is the plan's major strategic thrust. We recognize that technology is the great equalizer. It bridges gaps, expands reach, and transforms even the smallest enterprises into global competitive ventures. Through the digitalization of MSMEs program, we are simplifying access to AI-driven systems, innovation centers, and advanced testing facilities. We are promoting Industry 4.0 technologies and accelerating the adoption of AI to help businesses optimize operations and elevate product quality. At the same time, our push for e-government and interoperability among agencies aims to remove bureaucratic inefficiencies, simplify transactions, and create a business climate that is faster, smarter, and more responsive. Our digital transformation agenda also strengthens digital skills and innovation capabilities, ensuring MSMEs, whether in urban centers or rural communities, have the tools and knowledge needed to thrive in an increasingly digital marketplace. The establishment of Fab Labs, regional inclusive innovation centers, and other support facilities reinforces an ecosystem where ideas can be prototyped, refined, and tuned into real market products. This is digitalization with purpose and with heart digitalization for all. Equally important is the need to enhance access to financing. Many MSMEs have great ideas and strong potential, but are held back by lack of capital. That is why we are expanding financing programs, strengthening credit guarantees, and advocating for more inclusive and innovative lending mechanisms. All of these efforts aim to create a financing ecosystem where no entrepreneur with a viable idea is denied the chance to grow simply because they lack traditional collateral. In Bagong Pilipinas, we want financing to be accessible, equitable, and empowering. Lastly, we are strengthening both domestic and global market access through the expansion of e-commerce programs such as Control Bids, the revitalized auto program, and the establishment of the DTI Bagong Pilipinas Marketplace, the country's largest B2B e-commerce platform. We are giving MSMEs more opportunities to showcase their products and connect with buyers. Physical spaces like the Autumn Hubs and DTI-supported Pasalubong stores help bring Filipino craftsmanship and cuisine to maintain audiences. On the global front, we are equipping MSMEs to meet international standards, join trade missions, and participate in global chains with the platforms like the Philippine e-commerce platform, TradeLine Philippines, and international peers like IPEX and Manila Pay. We are showcasing Filipino excellence on the world stage with building global partnership and expanding market reach. Through these initiatives, we are sending a clear message. Filipino products are world-class, and the world is ready for them. DTI will be there every step of the way to help MSMEs take their rightful place in both domestic and international market. As we look ahead, we embrace the vision of Bagong Pilipinas, a vision rooted in transparency, efficiency, and a renewed commitment to nation building. Empowering MSMEs is central to this vision. When entrepreneurs succeed, jobs are created, communities are uplifted, and the economy moves forward. This is the path toward a more prosperous, resilient, and inclusive Philippines. To our private sector partners, our government allies, academic institutions, development organizations, and all who continue to extend their support, we thank you. Your collaboration strengthens our mission and widens the path for FSMEs to grow. To our entrepreneurs, our risk takers, innovators, dreamers, your courage inspires us. You are not just building businesses, you are building a better nation. You are shaping the economic future of Bagong Pilipinas. Today is more than a summit. It is a reminder that we are stronger when we work together. It is a promise that BPI, JobStreet, and our partners will continue to champion your growth. And it is an invitation to dream bigger, innovate boldly, and embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. Maraming salamat po, and may this summit spark new ideas, new connections, and new future for all. Mabuhay ang MSMEs, mabuhay ang